Welcome to Cablecast Broadcast Automation. In this video, we will go over the basics of scheduling shows on your channel. If you don't know how to create a show record in Cablecast, check out the Creating Shows video in this series first. Let's get started. In Cablecast, your schedule view appears in calendar form, showing you all the time slots for a particular day at a glance. At the top of the screen, you will see the navigation buttons for scheduled date. To toggle between dates in your schedule, use the arrows next to the calendar icon to advance or reverse. To jump to a specific day, click on the calendar icon and choose your desired date. To return to the current day schedule, click on the T. Each playback channel configured on your system has its own unique programming schedule. A drop-down window in the top left-hand corner of the scheduling window allows you to toggle between channel schedules by selecting your desired channel from the drop-down menu. Always confirm that you are working in the correct schedule before you start scheduling to avoid errors and scheduling conflicts. There are two different ways to add shows to your channel. First, you can click on the desired time slot and add a show by typing in the show ID or typing in the title. This field will auto-suggest different shows if the title you enter is not exact. Another way to add shows to your schedule is to select a show in the shows list to the right of your schedule. Click a show to select it. Then click the desired time slot in your schedule. This is called the click and stick method. The show will stay selected so you can add it to multiple time slots throughout the day. When using the click and stick method, Cablecast will warn you if you're trying to schedule a show for a time slot that is too short to play the file in its entirety. It does this by illuminating that time slot in red as you hover over it. This prevents you from needing to bump programs in your schedule to a later time in order to make all your programming fit. Each event in your schedule has a set of action buttons that will allow you to edit the particular run. The lock icon allows you to fix a specific event in place. If you bump other programming around a locked event, the start time of that event will not be affected. The CG icon indicates whether or not the event will be listed in your public schedule. Your public schedule is what gets pulled for display on your public site and in carousel cable display bulletins. Clicking the CG button here will only affect this specific run of the show. This is a way to exclude certain shows from your schedule, such as PSAs or interstitial programming. Clicking on DSK will bring up a menu in the right sidebar where you can add overlay graphics such as crawls and bug text. What you enter here will only affect this specific run. If you want to add DSK settings that will show up for every run of a particular show, watch the Creating Shows video. The circle icon allows you to record a specific run of a show as it is scheduled. This feature is often used to record live events on a channel. Click the arrow icons to move an event up or down on the schedule. This will result in that show playing immediately before or immediately after the event directly adjacent to it. Click the trash icon to delete a particular event off of the schedule. This will delete the run only. It will not affect the show itself. Click the pencil or edit icon to bring up the full edit menu for a particular event in the sidebar on the right. From there, you can edit all the details for that particular event. And those are the basics of scheduling shows in Cablecast. To move to the next step, check out the rest of this video series, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.